Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is apprehensive. It is pronounced apprehensive, and it is spelt A-P-P-R-E-H-E-N-S-I-V-E. Think app, then re, then hen, and then sieve, S-I-V-E. Apprehensive means anxious or fearful that something bad or unpleasant will happen. For example, you could say, the terrible storm made me feel apprehensive about going out to sea on the boat. The word apprehensive comes from the Latin apprehensivus. Its meaning today of fearful of what is to come was first recorded in the 1630s. This is an old word. Can you think of an apprehensive character on TV or in a film? Take a moment to have a think. How about in Winnie the Pooh? Piglet, Pooh's best friend, is a pretty apprehensive character. He is anxious and fearful at the unknown most of the time, and he famously cries, "Oh, dear." When scared, he has a little bit of a stutter. In any situation, Piglet is apprehensive and often thinks of how any situation could go wrong. For example, while trying to catch a heffalump, Piglet thinks to himself how he can fake a headache so he will not have to face one of these creatures, just in case it is a little bit scary. Apprehensive is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, Piglet was apprehensive about hunting a heffalump. Apprehensive is defined in the dictionary as feeling worried about something that you are going to do or that is going to happen. Apprehensive synonyms include anxious, alarmed, worried, uneasy, nervous, concerned, agitated, restless, edgy, on edge, fidgety, tense, strained, stressed, neurotic, panicky, and afraid. Antonyms include calm, certain, clear, collected, composed, confident, and cool. See if you can notice anything acting apprehensively today. If you see someone acting nervously, perhaps you could try and reassure them. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, apprehensive. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.